How to add music to Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add music to your Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To add music to Instagram story, open up the Instagram application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Then tap on the Your Story tab from the very top of the screen and just allow the access to your camera roll. Now simply select a certain particular photo that you would like to add. Now after we select our photo and make every changes, we want to select a music. For that, if you look at the very top right hand side, you'll find the music icon right on this Instagram story. So tap that little music button and here you can see it says search music, so I can simply search for my desired music, or I can simply also browse for it, or I can tap on the search button, select a music. I can select the style of the music, whether I want in this style or this style. I will just select this one for now. Then after that I can also select the duration and the verse. Then I can tap on done. Then I can simply drag it. Then I would have added songs to my Instagram story. This way I can add music to my Instagram story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.